check it. I'm on my grown man, but they say you only 20. My mindset is different. It's something like the penny.
What they do, yo. That's the boy, love the boy Wonder. You know what it is. CEO of Lovely Entertainment, producer, rapper extraordinaire. You know I do it all. Make sure you check out the MySpace page, myspace.com/loverboyislovely. I know it's long, but it's the truth. You feel me? And make sure you check out my singer, hot new artist named Young Lover on myspace.com/lovelyentidd. Lovely Entertainment is in the building, because we are in the building and we taking over, you feel me? We taking it over with my boy Hip, and you got me on the, tracks, laying the tracks down, ripping the tracks with the raps, with the lyrics. It's gonna blow your mind. Just make sure you show us some love. A fresh new company, owned by me, you know what it is. I'm just looking for some love. And jump on the bandwagon right now, because later on, ain't gonna be no space. We taking over.